great, works great, pics look great, but I bought for underwater use and the waterproof case don't even fit it. This package is a great deal. I was going to purchase the HERO7 Black from Best Buy to match the one I've had for a few years now. They are sold out and I'm so glad they are. Best Buy wanted $249 for just the camera. This package includes 2 batteries, the super suit, 2 other protective suits, replacement doors for the super suit, a USB cable, instructions, and of course, the camera itself. This entire package was only $249. A lot of reviews mention the camera does not fit the super suit. This is completely untrue. All you need to do is take a few minutes to read the instructions. As with my original HERO7 Black, you need to remove the protective bezel from the camera lens before putting it in the super suit. Once the bezel is removed, it fits perfectly. To remove the bezel, you need to rotate it counterclockwise and then it will lift off. It is on there quite tight. I found that a 1/1/8 open-end wrench fits the bezel perfectly and allows easy removal. Do not use pliers to remove the bezel. It will damage it and it will look like crap if you need to reinstall it to use the camera without the super suit. I have posted pictures with this review of the camera with the bezel removed and also with it in the super suit. All in all, this is a smoking deal for an excellent camera and accessories, and the e-commerce packaging is very easy to open. Stop fooling around and order one before they are no longer off. I was on the fence on buying this kit due to all the bad reviews it had received. I rolled the dice and bought it and am very happy with the purchase. The kit comes with so much more than I expected: multiple cases, 2 batteries, different door cases, mounts, etc. The fully enclosed waterproof camera case fits and works fine. To get the camera to fit correctly in the waterproof case, you have to remove the lens cover on the camera. If you don't do this, then it will never fit correctly. I have not yet used the camera other than some test shots and videos, but everything worked great so far. Was also very easy to get communicating with the app and easy to control. Most of the video was underwater. I used 2 batteries per day and charged one while using the other. Great video and picture quality. The diver's case doesn't fit the camera that came with it. At first I was skeptical about the repackaging, but I must say I am so far more than happy with what I've received. I saw a couple bad reviews saying that items looked used or that there was no paperwork in the package. I didn't have either of these issues. All the products I got had the screen protectors on and the stickers on the super suit. The GoPro HERO7 Black, extra battery, and the super suit were all included, along with the charger, paperwork, and the included GoPro mounts. So far I am very pleased and very relieved I got what I wanted and what I ordered at a cheaper cost than what I would have been paying for. Click link in description for details.